I do know, or I feel as though I'm at that point of needing a cap pack right now. Like now. Like I should probably run it now. What I've done, yeah. I know I'm gonna get warnings. Hopefully it doesn't blow the ESC. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna take this pile of garbage right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a cap pack. Yeah. RC Guy Garage cap pack. Why? Well, because the data told me. Oh yeah, hey, by the way, it's actually already made. America, baby! It's already made, it's already sorted on. These are just pieces that, yeah. But there you go. It's there. It's in there. Don't look at that. Shh, quiet. Mint. But it works. And that's kind of all that matters. America, baby. Team, not one cap pack. Yeah, still too much. I'm on the phone talking to Earl, that's why I'm not talking to the camera. So if you didn't see the live, I did a live, COVID and coffee, and I created the first cat pack. The first RC Guy Garage cat pack. Are they for sale? Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! I just made it because I needed it, and I had the stuff. I had the stuff for like a couple of years. The stuff, meaning I had the caps for a couple of years. They were just sitting there. I've wanted to create one, I just never did. I finally did it. So if you want to see how I made the cat pack, just watch the live. There will be a link over there, whatever. Wherever the links are supposed to be, there'll be a link, so if you want to watch that live, you can watch that live. So yeah, so now what this is going to be is this is me just with a onboard footage showing really nothing. I mean, the data is what I was after, but the change is massive. So yeah, do you need a cat pack? Yeah, man, you actually do.